Welcome, dear soul, to this gentle and transformative 10-minute self-compassion guided meditation. Find a quiet space where you can fully immerse yourself in this moment of self-love and kindness. Allow your body to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, as you begin to turn your attention inwards. Let's take a few deep, cleansing breaths together. Inhale deeply, feeling the air filling your lungs, and exhale fully, releasing any tension or stress. Feel your body becoming lighter with each breath as you let go of any worries or burdens you may be carrying. Now, bring your focus to your heart center. Place your hand gently on your chest, connecting with the warmth and compassion that resides within you. This is your sacred space, a place of unconditional love and understanding. As you breathe in and out, imagine a soft, glowing light expanding from your heart, enveloping your entire being. Feel the radiance of this light as it spreads through every cell of your body, illuminating and nurturing your soul. In this space of loving awareness, we embrace ourselves fully, just as we are. We recognize that we are human, and it's okay to feel vulnerable or imperfect at times. It is these very moments that call for our utmost compassion. Gently repeat after me. I am worthy of love and kindness, just as I am. I forgive myself for any perceived shortcomings or mistakes. I am enough, exactly as I am at this moment. Take a moment to acknowledge any emotions that arise without judgment. Be present with them, allowing them to come and go like passing clouds in the sky. Remember that you are not defined by your emotions. You are the calm observer, the compassionate witness. Now, envision yourself wrapped in a warm embrace of self-compassion. Feel the tenderness and care in each loving gesture. Embrace yourself with all the kindness and understanding you would offer to a dear friend. As we continue to breathe, let's extend this compassion outward to all living beings. May they also be happy, healthy, and free from suffering. Send your love and well wishes to the world, knowing that we are all interconnected in this vast web of life. Take a moment to bask in this sea of loving energy, knowing that you have the power to create more love and compassion in the world simply by embodying it within yourself. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, grounding you in the present moment. Know that you can return to this space of self-compassion whenever you need it. It's always here, waiting to cradle you in its embrace. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of loving kindness with you into your day. Remember, you are a beacon of compassion, shining brightly for yourself and others. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with me. I bow to the divine light within you. Namaste.